Hi everyone, this is Megan and I am doing a quick screencast to kind of address how you would fill out your timesheet. So as you can see, I'm on the home page of the ODU Learns project in Zoho. And if you look at your left sidebar here, you can see all of the different aspects of the program managing system. And if we click timesheet, you can see that Jose has already been making use of this, but it's very important to us that we have you do this kind of day by day reflection upon how you're spending the time related to our project. Please bear in mind that this really isn't a course. It should be viewed more as a job, so this is very important to us. We need to know how you are doing your time. So if you look up at the top, you can see where my cursor is that there are two options for filling out a timesheet. You can select log time for a single day, select users, of course you want to select yourself. You select the task that you are saying you spent the time on. You can also add notes, and I think this is particularly important. Sometimes in the blogs we've already seen folks saying they've spent large amounts of time doing something, but then when we go to DGO, there's not that much that's been curated yet. So you want to put here in the notes how you've been using that time productively, because we need to know, if you've spent several hours looking around on the net and you haven't curated anything, that's still work, but we need to know what you were looking at or why you weren't finding things. What are those obstacles that are preventing you from finding product? And then, of course, you want to put in your hours, and you can count it as billable, and then add log hours. Or if you prefer to do something like this, you can do the weekly log time, which allows you to do multiple tasks. So you would select one of these here and say, yes, on Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday, I did something related to the event announcement. I spent an hour on Sunday and an hour on Tuesday, and I did social media tracking as well. I did 2 hours of that on Monday, etc., etc. So you can do multiple tasks on a single page and talk about those hours for the entire week over here instead of having to go through one at a time um, on the previous version. And I'm not going to save that, obviously, but you would save and add new. Here I'm canceling that, but this way, we can see, as you see here, we had Jose working for an hour and a half on collecting time management materials. Here he spent 7 hours, and so forth. So that is how we will get to see what you're up to and how much time you're spending on different aspects of the project. I hope this helps.